second reason, my lady, is that the prevail report that was filed in court on 14th of June 2024 is favorable, my lady, and recommends recommends that the accused is not a flight risk, and there are no compelling reason as to why he should not be released on bond. I pray, my lady, that you consider that prevail report. My lady will notice that the first accused has also been in custody for slightly under 1 year. He suffered in prison. He is still unwell and requires medical attention. And which cannot be offered, my lady, in prison. And for that reason, my lady, will be requesting that you kindly release him on bond. I'm sure, my lady, that the court will take judicial notice of the fact that our prisons are currently congested, and I'm aware that the judiciary wishes to decongest the prisons, and I pray that the first accused person be considered in part of those efforts to decongest the prison. My lady had previously referred to other matters in which the accused had previously not attended court. All those matters, my lady, have either been settled or withdrawn. And my lady, the accused instructs me to not tell you that possibly when the court looked at the record, it did not take into account warrants that had been issued when the accused was in remand, the hearing of those other matters. Finally, my lady, both the bar and the bench have had challenges following the sad demise of Honorable Monica Kibuti. In that spirit, my lady, of mourning her and in her memory, I will just pray that you be pleased to exercise your discretion in favor of the accused and have him released on bond. That will be all on my part. My learned senior, Mr. Ombeta, is present. I don't know whether he has anything else that he wished to add in support of that application for the release of the accused on bond.
The second accused person must have the benefit of knowing what the two witnesses said and if they intend to recall them. Our fight has always been that we needed to have this matter heard as fast as possible. It may not be clear to the court, but from our side and our instructions, we know that this is a matter probably that was not brought to court in good faith. But be as it may, once the process starts again, we're not sure how long these witnesses might take to come to court. And I might say in confidence because I know that they have attempted to talk to me to tell me that they had been, but let me leave that. maybe they were not genuine, but that will come through in court when they come back next time. Not knowing how long it will take, not knowing how long the process will take. It is only fair, now that the accused person's cases in the lower courts have all been settled and others withdrawn and finalized, there's no other reason for him to be considered a flight risk. So we'll be asking the court then to release him on bond. He's been in custody for quite some time now. And it will only be fair that the court can then consider him for bail this time again.
I will leave to the court, regarding the report which has been filed.
At this stage of delving into issues that he has spoken to witnesses. Secondly, my lady, about the application that has been made by my landed senior Ochoki, we have expressed our position previously, and we leave it to the court to make the decision with the prevail report that is before the court.
When it's determined the bond application for the second accused, when my lady, you said that there was nothing tendered, and for the first accused, my lady kindly use the same standards and release him on bond. Thank you.